evening, guys. This is Julian Knack from Knack Consult. It's been a while that we did a podcast. We went for some break, so guys, I know you guys would understand. So this is Euro USD. I just have some few this one there. But let me just go through. But before I start, I would like to appreciate our viewers, subscribers, those who like and share our content. We really do appreciate you guys. We really do appreciate you guys. And we would, encourage you guys and should whenever you look at our content, just like and subscribe and leave a comment. Any asset class or any stock, any currency, any commodity that you want us to do an analysis on, please guys, feel free. Let us know in the comments so that what we will do that analysis coming the next week. So let's get back to it. So this USD, what I'm looking for USD for next week. Let's say for next month was for it to. Oh, we're on the day time frame. Sorry, let me use the green trend line for our day. So this is what I'm expecting. Okay, I'm expecting it to cross our trend line retest. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting it to cross our trend line retest. So this is where what we enter. Okay, this is where sorry guys, I have to do that for I have to just do that so that we can the noise and everything can be reduced. So as I said earlier, okay, this is the euro USD pair. That's what I'm expecting it, okay. And also, whilst we are looking at the euro USD pair, we should also be looking at the DXY pair, okay. So what the DXY will do is what the euro USD what replicate, okay. So whilst you are watching the euro USD pair, the euro USD pair, you should also be looking at the DAX or the DXY pair also. So this is what we'll be looking out for. Okay, so let me just close so that my chat becomes. So this is what I'm looking for on zero USD. Okay, let me look for the DAX. Okay, so for the DAX already, I think we have the line in conjunction, and let me just. Okay, this is a book. So all right, so this is the DAX. Okay, on the daily time frame. Let me adjust it. So as I said earlier, the way the DAX moves is the same way the euro USD will move. That's in opposite direction. Okay. So if the DAX is going down, it means the euro USD is what going up. Okay, so guys, we are expecting it to what on the DAX, what we are expecting is what breakout, retest, then what, then we move downwards. Okay, so we're looking for a sell entry around this point. We're looking for a sell entry around this point. Okay, so that's what we're looking for, a sell entry as the market leads us. Okay, so that's for the DAX, and also just minimize it. Okay, so let me just remove everything. Okay. So that's for the DAX. Okay, as you can see here, these are stocks, and I don't want to go into stocks because let me go into the XMP because I know that it will be coming down by tomorrow, God willing. Yeah, it will be going down a little bit. Then on by tomorrow, let's say on the 7th, it will consolidate. Then you will start seeing some money into the to the upside. Okay, some money will be coming to the stock market. But let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Right now, it has what? It has come lower to what our November. Okay, this is August. So that's in November. November what? Low. But anyway, no problem. So this is where it has come to. And so for instance, right now it came out. It came down to almost 631 what? 3. Okay. 6313.5. Okay. And we saw what? A push up to the upside. Okay. Which this was the percentage that I what created that it could rise to. Okay. But I think let's see. Alright, so I think it rise to that, came out, then also moved again. Anyway, so let me just remove it so continue watching it. So right now on the S&P, let me just draw a trend line for the upside, okay, so that we are aware, okay, will not be what taken by surprise when it starts to go up. Okay, first TP, second TP, most of the TPs have been hit, so it's just left with this one, the last one. But hey, you wouldn't force the market. If it doesn't go there, what? Get out. Okay, so you close your trade. If it doesn't go there. So where it goes to then, when you see that it crosses uh, this trend line, okay, this trend line, that's when you prepare yourself for trade. So let me just align so that I can get the speed that we need. So right now, I'm waiting for it. I know it will hold a little bit more, and I'll see that probably let me go to the one. Okay, so I said it. There's a gap here. There's a gap here which must be filled. Always remember when there's a gap on any asset. Okay, for example, like Matmos, let me use the indexes and also the stock market. Okay, so whenever there is a gap, always it goes and it comes back to fill the gap. Okay, and not even both the stock market and the indexes market, but across every market. Okay, no matter what, whenever there is a gap, whenever a gap is created, okay, the market comes back to fill those gaps. Okay, so that's how the market moves. So we've noticed that what we have a gap. Let me just change this settings so that always Yes, okay. So there is a gap. Let's go back to the time frame. So that's always okay. And the next thing now I will do is the VIX. Now with the VIX and the S&P, this is how it looks like. I always look at the VIX, okay, to trade the S&P. This is a trick, okay, so that we normally do. Even though, let me see, it's not aligning the way I want it to align. Let me use these two, right? This way, okay. So guys, right now I'm not in a hurry, okay. I'm just waiting for because and as you can see right here, when the VIX broke out of this trend line, there's a major trend line being taken, but we used the purple. So we should use the green. Okay. Now, if you would have seen it, this was our entry for a buy. This is what our take profit. We had like two take profit, which was what hit. Okay. So let me just remove that. As you can see, it means all our what analysis is top notch. Okay, we just have to wait for the market to move towards our direction. So right now, what I'm waiting for is what a breakout retest, then what go down. Okay, so what breakout retest and we go down. Now remember, if we we are going down, it means the S&P 500 will be going up. Okay, so very soon, I know bull market will become very soon, even though you know because the S&P as the VIX went up this week, the S&P also what fell. So you notice that on January 14th, okay, and you got the signal to enter buy for the VIX, and so on the S&P, you would have made a huge returns. Okay, still holding it till now, you would have made a huge returns. Okay, so guys, this is it for both the S&P and the VIX. They are always correlated, so always try to get to know which any of them what the direction any of them are taking. Okay, so this is for the VIX. Okay, so let me just wrap it up a little. So we'll hold the VIX, then let me look at oil. In fact, this commodity has made a huge. I'm telling you, I was in it and my God was crazy. I closed out of it when it I think from where on 31st and also on 1st of April. So I think on 1st of April that's when I closed for I closed myself to them on crude oil. So for crude oil, what I'm saying is that for crude oil it will go up a little bit more. Okay, to go up a little bit more, consolidate. Okay, then we would see what. Let me just remove all this. Nice. Just to make it clean. Let me just remove it. So now this, and there is a gap here. So definitely, so guys, I'm using what I'm saying. Definitely, then the market will come down, but not now. Okay, not now. So that's what we are going to do. Let's reduce it. I know it's a little bit simple. I know it's a little bit low. So this is the monthly trend line. That's the blue, okay, and the green one for the weekly. Okay, and then this one. Actually, I got this. I predicted it, but I didn't trade it. Okay, this was where our TP was, but I didn't trade it. So sometimes that's how it is. So that's what they keep. So sometimes that's how it is. Sometimes you would do the analysis, but you would, sometimes forget to place them. Not because you're afraid, but sometimes due to other analysis you've done, so it wouldn't come to mind for you to, check it. That's why sometimes you have to get your watch list, put them on the watch list so that it's always on. So so right now I'm waiting. Okay, right now the best time or the best thing to do for oil is to wait. Okay, that's what Warren Buffett said. He said the stock market or the market okay, takes money from the impatient and gives it to what the patient. So when you're patient, many of those who are impatient will come to you. Okay, so we're waiting for oil to consolidate. Then when it's time for it to come down, we step in. Okay. Now let me go for Euro USD. I don't know if I've done USD. I've already done USD. So guys, I think let me see. Let me look at it. BTC. Let me look at BTC. Okay, so right now, yes, we've come to. Let me just remove this. So this was an analogy I was doing the other time. This was an analogy I was doing the other time, and as you can see, this was our trend line. So we waited for it to break out. As you can see, break out, consolidate to retest it, come out again, think it wants to retest it again. Then maybe you look for what sell trade, but always let the market come to you. Okay? Always let the market come to you. So this is our BTC trade. If it should come down, this is our first tip. Okay. Someone says, okay, how did you get a TP? Let's scroll to the left. Okay, so you look at the left hand side, the resistance. Okay, the next support where the market or the price created a lot of support. Okay, not resistance. Sorry, this is a resistance. This is a support. Okay, resistance means the market or the price has been resisted at this level, which is 73,569, and it came down. Then it went up again, then it came down. It went up again, it came down. It means this area is what? A resistance level. Let's use this tool. Yes. This area is a resistance level. That's the meaning of resistance. Okay. When it is beneath it, it is support. Okay, it is support because when it came up or when it went up and it came down, this level supported it and prevented it from it was going lower. So it is a support level. Okay, it is a support level. Okay, so this is what key levels are. Key levels represent demand and what sorry resistance and what support zones or demand and supply zones. Anyhow you want to say it. But I use key what levels for example. So how do we set our TP? We look for multiple what supports. Multiple supports. We have one support here, very obvious, one here, likely a little bit if I didn't touch. So we leave our first what TP if it's supposed to what come down just like this. See this drop? That's this drop. Yeah. So this drop, this whole drop, that was almost like 34. If you would make that our previous analysis and got in over here, you would have made 34% on your return on investment. Anyway, that was my so the same structure. I don't know if you can see the same structure is showing the same. So all we have to do is you see this thing break. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just showing us the blueprint. Break, retest, yeah, break, retest, we enter for a sell. So the same thing we are going to do right here. So we are just waiting patiently. Let the market would come to you. Don't be in a hurry. Let the market come to you. So this is what I'm going to do. It came here, touched, went up, came down, touched. Okay. So it's like, is it? Is it? Flowers or yeah, something like that. Anyway, I don't know, I'm not listening back. But what I understand is that there is something over here, okay, which is preventing the price to work. So while what it broke a daily trend line, okay, and consolidated, this is a range, this is a range market or consolidation, just as this is a consolidation. But we have some serious people that they can trade consolidation. But good for them. Trust me, very, very good for them. They're really, really good. I really appreciate people who are like that. So, okay, 1 minute. So, I think we just went the server for the server we are using now is for BTC is capital.com. So, sorry guys, I think it froze a little bit. So, right now, look our trend line, retest it, look again, make another retest, then maybe it will break again. This time, let's use let's bring it, let's put it because we don't know where it would. So as you can see, guys, TP1, TP2 will be hit if it goes our way. Remember, okay, this is not also we said it here. So guys, see you next week.